Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have exactly 11 minutes and let's get started first with the mystery box. So we're going to okay. Now that's the end of the ASMR part of the video that I'm probably going to post on TikTok or Instagram. I usually don't do TikTok, but Instagram I might post that part. So this is a liquid lipstick. It's called Bronzed Toast. Okay. And this is the shade. This is what it looks like on me. Not very flattering, but this is the mystery box. That's why I did it that way. This is the highlighter. Okay, this is a Nubian Glow liquid luminizer. Okay, and this is it right here on the back of my hand. And I'll probably wear it as a lip eyeshadow. It's overcast and I got the light on, so. This is the Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia's Lip Reflecting Gloss. And this is it, this corally shade here. So neither one of these really works on me as far as the lippies are concerned. That's probably why they put them in a mystery box, because nobody probably, especially dark skinned people who purchased from Juvia, probably just didn't find it flattering. And this is your brow sculpting gel in clear. Okay, that's why it wouldn't show up on me, because it's clear. And you just simply, some people put their brows on like this and then go over on top, and then some people go over and then put the eyebrow pencil on top of it once the brows are nice and sculpted. This is a product that I just don't use. And last but not least, for the mystery box, this is the Bronze Rustic palette. This is a nice little palette, you know. This is probably not a very flattering shade on me right here, which is an eyeshadow, but who knows? I probably can make it work. See? But the rest of them are you know, so that's why I never I think I have this. I just never purchased it at full price because I knew that only like 3 of the shades that would really work for me, and one of them I couldn't make work for me. And I really don't buy products that I have to make work for me. I like to buy products that work the first time, and I can enjoy it, and I can one and done it sometime and just go on about my business and, you know, whatever. So the only product that I'm really going to purchase, I'm going to go on a no buy as far as makeup is concerned. I do want the this is the this is not the mystery box. I purchased this separately but the same order. Lip reflecting gloss. This is Cherry Love lip reflecting gloss, and it's not as flattering on me as I thought it would be. So I did try it on, and I had to start the video over. So that's why my lips look a certain kind of way, because I had already tried the lip products on. Okay. And last but not least, I got these for $20. Okay, I think they cost about $50 or $40. So whenever Juvia's Place have sales, and they have sales on their brushes, I have gotten the I forgot the name of them, but it's the red set. I have gotten them as little as $15 before. Like when they do like Christmas, and they've had like 60% off before, and with the brushes they'll have like the holiday. So I'm a member of Juvia's Place Facebook, and I had made a comment when they was talking about, I think they was advertising these, and I was saying, can you bring more colors back, more brushes back in different colors? Because when I first started shopping Juvia's, I think they had like a purple set, and I always wanted them, but I didn't understand about brushes and quality. So I wasn't willing to spend that money on those brushes. But as soon as those brushes got on sale, and they put them on sale, and I bought like the red set, I got like 2-3 pairs of the red set, because they are good quality brushes. And when they go on sale for low, I'm not talking about right now. I think about 3 weeks ago they might have been $25, and I think these was $20, and they are originally $40. These are good brushes. They're nice, they sturdy, they are kind of heavy. So let's go through them, because a couple of them surprised me. Like for example, this is a Juvia's Place 2. It's a J. They all start with J. I guess that's for Juvia. Okay, 213 round buffer brush. This is a round buffer brush, and it's straight. It's straight, but it's had like a dome, and it's nice, and it's thick. Okay, and it's fluffy. And I would think this would be like a foundation brush, but now that I'm looking at it, it's really packed. It's really packed and thick. So I'm not sure what you would buffer your contour. That's what you would buff with this. But this is a nice sturdy brush, and I love that blue. It's almost giving off purple, really. But I love that blue. I love it. And I have some blue nail polish. I think I may do a French tip in blue. I was on Walmart, and let me hurry up. And this is the J203 flat top perfecting brush. Now this is what I also thought was a foundation brush, like a kabuki, right? But it says a flat top brush. You can use your brushes for whatever way you want to use. Now here's the thing. Juvia's Place J221 small complexion brush. I guess this would be like your concealer. Complexion is anything that you're putting on your face as far as your foundation, concealer, and all of that. Now here, J225 foundation brush. This is an actual foundation brush. Look, like you're going to paint it on. I guess you can also use this with the powder. And then here's your J227 liquid foundation brush. And look at the difference. Look at the difference. Okay, and then last but not least, you got your flat brush, your fan brush, and your powder brush. And this is a good brush. Thanks for watching. Bye.